Okay guys, so you're here because you're worried about keto. Is keto safe? Well, if I tell you it's totally natural and fine, what would you say? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so looking at keto, it's only natural, with a lot of scaremongering in the media, lots of false information going out regarding the diet, that you would expect, oh, I read this, I heard this bit of research, or I saw this and it's all terrible. No, not at all. It's just like any other diet. For example, you eat a normal diet, you eat a lot of hamburgers, oh, I've got too much sodium, there you go. Oh, I've got too much fat, I've got tons of refined white sugar causing inflammation all over my body and shortening my lifespan. So, you have all these issues in diets, and if you have a normal, seen as a standard Western diet, then you've got a terrible diet. So it's what they say is from all the processed food. So a keto diet is actually taking you back to something which is natural and much better for you. So how can I bring this to obviously your attention for you to understand that this is the fact? Well, I put together this video so you can see how in fact keto has been around for centuries, in fact millennia. So the whole idea is it's totally normal, and we're going to go through it to understand, and how it can be beneficial is in lots of my other videos. You can go and have a look at how it makes you so much slimmer and healthier. Right guys, so here we go. Let's look at point one. Point one, a proven therapy with thousands of years of use. Old principle, modern result. So keto has been going on for absolutely millennia. So the main idea there is you've seen it being used all through human civilization, and it's just obviously something which has changed as humans have started to process food a lot more. So what does processing food cause an issue? Here's nature, here's human, process, pure refined flour, pure refined sugar equals hit your blood sugar, your insulin spikes, tons of damage and inflammation in your body. So that is an understanding where you see the more you will move away from nature, the more pain and suffering you're going to get. So what we can see here, if you look at here again in the slide, you see, okay, so thousands of years ago, it was natural, fasting and ketosis, our body's natural state for survival and energy. So we weren't farmers, don't forget, we didn't have wheat, we ate animals, and it was natural, it was absolutely no issue whatsoever. We only suffered from poor dentistry, poor hygiene, all these things were bad, but our diet was natural. Now, moving on, in 1920s, keto used to treat epilepsy. So, ketogenic diet introduced as a medical therapy. So, people who had epilepsy were actually prescribed this diet for them. So there you go. It's been prescribed by doctors even as a cure or something to help maintain epilepsy. So guys, cannot be bad. Now, moving on, looking at modern day. So modern day, it's used today for weight loss, metabolic health, brain function and performance. Why? Well, because we don't just produce the fatty acids from our triglycerides in our adipose tissue when we burn our energy on the diet. We do burn it all and use it for most parts of the body, but we need ketones. And ketones send some fatty acids to the liver. They're changed into ketones. Off they go to your brain for clear, perfect, stable, clean energy. What more do you need? So you've got tons of scientific evidence backing all of this up. All you need to do is go and look at all the evidence, pinpointing one thing, and then just add it all together. So we can see that it's really handy and is beneficial for you in many ways, and has been used even to remedy issues which we have in our health. So moving on, let's have a look. Thousands of years, one powerful principle, backed by history, supported by science. Okay guys, so it's one of those things, push all your doubt aside. Just make sure you do it responsibly. You look at it, you contact your GP, especially if you have conditions, and you make sure you take your electrolytes. Everything should be cool. Okay guys, so moving on to point number 2. So here we go. Why is it keto safe? Okay, so ketosis is natural, not a fad, not dangerous. You're not adding chemicals into your body. In fact, you're cleansing your system. So, what does that mean? Well, it happens during fasting. So anyone who's been fasting for the last millennia has been doing ketosis. What does fasting do? It purges your system. It makes fantastic clarity in your thought. But when it comes to fasting, you can only do it for a few days before you start to suffer, and you'll have a lot of issues like cravings and problems with energy. Not with keto. Keto remedies that. It is literally like fasting, but we're being able to maintain a long-term fast. Now, it's evolved for survival. Humans survived for thousands of years without carbs. Brain runs on ketones. So your brain, as I said, takes ketones, the most clean, stable energy, and uses them. It won't use fatty acids. And built-in backup system, your body has multiple ways to make energy. This is true. If you have too much protein on a keto diet, your body will start using protein as energy. So there you go. Protein is another one, and you don't want that because that usually happens with starvation, and it will actually eat your muscles. But the reality is, if you've got protein, it will use that. Okay, so natural, adaptable, powerful. So that's how your body is designed to work. Okay, guys, so that's simple and straightforward. Number 3, keto improves key health markers. So when you go for a health report, your doctor will sit there and he will give you markers to say, oh, how's this? How's your blood sugar? How's your insulin? How's your triglycerides? How's your cholesterol? All positive if you do a keto diet properly. So here we go. Number 1, lowers blood sugar and insulin, a double whammy. That's fantastic. Less glucose in your blood, insulin goes right down. Lots of inflammation stops. Helps improve insulin sensitivity and supports type 2 diabetes management. There you go. Moving on. Reduces triglyceride. Lower triglycerides are linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. So moving on. Increases HDL, good cholesterol, and so supports heart health and overall cholesterol balance. Good cholesterol, HDL, goes up, but as it's got here, bad, dense, small LDLs go down, because don't forget there are LDLs that are created, and listen to this, on your keto diet that are larger and fluffier as LDLs, making them perfect and healthy for a diet. There you go. Keto is a double whammy for cholesterol. Now, here we are. Sum up, better markers, better health. Keto helps optimize numbers that matter. Brain function, heart health, more energy. What else do you need, guys? It's telling you right now, it's much better than a normal diet. Okay, here we go. So moving on, point 4. Okay, so guys, here we go. Keto supports sustainable fat loss. So we're talking about sustainable. In other words, you can continue to lose fat over a long period of time. So sustainable fat loss, lose weight the smart, sustainable way. Stable blood sugar. Okay, you don't get spiking or moving all over the place, causing cravings and panics and deep lethargic states. It's constant. Fantastic. More satiety. So more satiety, meaning you feel full. You don't get hunger pangs usually. Healthy fats and protein keeps you full for longer. So stable blood sugar, fewer spikes and crashes mean fewer cravings. More satiety, you're satisfied, you're full. Healthy fats and proteins keep you full for longer. Okay guys, it's also got natural appetite control. Keto helps regulate hunger hormones. So ghrelin is the hormone in your stomach that when it rises up, it signals your hypothalamus and says, hey, I'm hungry. Yeah, so it then signals that and you go, oh, I'm hungry. So the main idea is if you're going to end up being able to control it with your regulation of it through the keto, you're going to have less appetite. So that's better. So you don't overeat, and at the same time, you don't frequently eat. Okay, so steady lasting results. Lose fat without extreme calorie restrictions or constant hunger. So cravings, hunger, all gone. You lose, no problem. It's like as if you're just normal and you don't have any spikes in your mind either because you've got ketones, clean, efficient, stable energy. You feel fantastic. Okay guys, so why it works. Lower insulin, your body accesses stored fat for fuel, burns body fat, fat becomes your primary energy source, your fatty acids, and feel better, more energy, better mood, better you. You're always a lot cheerful. You're cheerful because you don't have any crashes. Yes, you might not get any spikes of being hyperactive, but that's a good thing as well. So realistic, sustainable results that last. Keto makes fat loss easier to stick to, and that's what creates a lasting change. So doing it correctly, and I'll talk about a cyclical diet. So if you look at my other videos, especially about understanding zombie cells, senescence. So if you understand that and you go on about it and understand about senescence, the cyclical diet gets rid of that. So we'll talk about that later in another video. Last point we're looking at is point 5. So point 5, guys, is keto is safe when electrolytes and nutrients are managed. So what's the biggest problem? Electrolytes and nutrients. How do you remedy this? Supplements, simple. That is the instant remedy. You get supplements, you make sure you take the right amount, you consult your GP, your doctor. They will give you an exact amount, or they will monitor you and say, I'll do your blood test and tell you to go up or down. And that's how it will work. So again, what's the point? Right electrolytes. Most problems come from poor setup, not the diet itself. So even for myself, I take a keto gummy, I take a multivitamin and mineral tablets, I take an electrolyte tablet, and I take a vitamin C effervescent 1,000 milligram tablet. Why? Because it covers nearly everything, and then I get additional from my food. Perfect. Sodium chloride, table salt, boom, electrolyte, go. Is keto safe? Summary. Clinically proven. There you go. Used medically for decades. 2, natural processes. Your body is designed for it. You can actually do it in your body. 3, improves health markers, better blood sugar and cholesterol. Fantastic. 4, supports fat loss, less hunger, sustainable results. Great. And 5, safe when done right. Electrolytes and nutrition matter. With this diet, it's just the same as any other diet. Make sure you're responsible. Read up on what you need to take. You'll feel great and you'll lose tons of weight. Okay, guys, so I hope you like the videos. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, guys, see you on the next one.